Good morning! Thank you for calling Versailles Restaurant. My name is Apple. How may I assist you today?
Good morning! I'd like to make a table reservation, please.
Of course, ma'am. I'd be happy to assist you. May I kindly have your name to begin the reservation process?
Sure, I am Angelina Capulong.
Thank you, Ms. Capulong. To ensure I have your name recorded correctly, let me confirm the spelling using the phonetic alphabet. Angelina, A for Alpha, N for November, G for Golf, E for Echo, L for Lima, I for India, N for November, and A for Alpha. And your last name, Capulong, C for Charlie, A for Alpha, P for Papa, U for Uniform, L for Lima, O for Oscar, N for November, and G for Golf. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
Wonderful. Should I make this reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Could I also have your contact number in case we need to confirm or reach you about your reservation?
Sure, my contact number is 0961-491-4287.
Thank you for providing that, Ms. Capulong. Let me confirm your number. 0961-491-4287. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Excellent. May I confirm the date and time you'd like the reservation for?
I'd like to book it for February 1, 2025 at 6 p.m.
Noted, Ms. Capulong. So your reservation is February 1, 2025 at 6 o'clock p.m. How many people will be dining with us?
A table for two, please.
Oh, please hold on. Let me check if there is available table for that day. Thank you for waiting. Perfect. We have table for two at that day. And your seating preference, would you like a table in the smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Absolutely, ma'am. I've noted that. May I ask if this is for personal occasion or if there are any specific requests we can assist with to make the evening extra special?
Yes, it's a special dinner for me and for my best friend. I'd like the table to be in a quiet area if possible, and I'd love a small flower arrangement.
How thoughtful of you, Ms. Capulong. I'll ensure we reserve a table in a quiet area for you and your best friend. We'll also arrange a small flower centerpiece to add a touch of elegance to your evening. Is there anything else you'd like us to note for your reservation?
No, that's all.
Thank you, Ms. Capulong. Let me repeat the full details of your reservation to make sure everything is correct. Your name is Angelina Capulong and the table reservations is under of it. The date is February 1, 2025 at 6 o'clock p.m. The number of guests is 2 for you and your best friend. Your seating preference is non-smoking area. And a special request of a quiet area table and a small flower arrangement for centerpiece. Does everything look correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's perfect.
Wonderful, Ms. Capulong. Your reservation has been confirmed. If you have any additional requests or changes, feel free to call us back at 0999-555-4444. We look forward to welcoming you and your best friend on February 1, 2025. Thank you for choosing Versailles Restaurant.
Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. Have a lovely day.